channel, G Squad. My name is Gigi, and we have a little box. And this is the thing, one of the things I was waiting to come in the mail. The other thing is some gems that my daughter got me. We will unveil those in a video where we use them, so stay tuned for that coming up in another video. But this came today to my daughter's house, and when we went out to lunch today and had a fabulous time, by the way, just amazing, she brought it to me. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's one of those amazing hands from Amazon. So we are gonna have to do a little naming process for sure. So what we have is this real pretty girl. And when we were in the actual restaurant, she looked so gray, we thought we would name her Zombie or something. But she's looking a little more lifelike now. I want to just point out how good her knuckles look. She's got very long nail beds and posable, bendable fingers for pretty pictures and whatnot. So I think she is going to be a really nice addition to the nail collection. I did want to mention, I played around, no, let's start all that over. Where are those tips that I just fucking had? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I really think she's gonna be a really fun addition to our collection. I'm gonna definitely have to figure out all the ins and outs of how she works. Seeing other people work with the hands like this, I know there can be some issues. It did come with some tips that are the kind that you glue on, but I know in this case, you like put them up in the little gap up here. One thing I'm noticing though, is that it doesn't always sit completely flush. So I'm gonna have to play with that and see how that works out. But I love the posability of her. I love the naturalness of her skin tone. I love that she's a little darker than my skin tone, so we're definitely gonna be able to play around with different colors and how different colors look on darker skin tone. So that is something I'm super duper excited about. Guys, I think I'm gonna have a great time with her. We do need to do some naming of her though. So what I want you guys to do is give me some name suggestions in the comments. I am going to do some polls on my Instagram. So same name over there, Down for Glam, Nails by Gigi. So suggest names down below. I'm gonna take those names and run some polls. And throw in the names I like. We're gonna run some polls, see what everyone thinks she should be named. I kind of like the name of Rosie or maybe Rosarita or I don't know, Sammy. So I don't know. There's so many beautiful names out there. You guys give me your ideas. I want to hear it. One thing I did note, look at how like the hand wrinkles and everything are just so just there. I love all the detail in the hand. I think it's just super pretty. Very, very amazing. And I'm glad she's not gray like she looked in the store, which makes, not the store, the restaurant we were at. It makes me wonder how horrible we all looked if she looked that gray in the restaurant, because she's definitely not gray here. So guys, leave me those name suggestions. Be sure you subscribe because of course we're going to be using her in upcoming videos. You're going to want to be here for that. And don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified. And by clicking all those buttons, you just let YouTube know, hey, we like this girl. Give her more views. So be sure to click those buttons. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you want her to be named. We will see you in the next video. Probably me doing my nails because these are starting to look rough. So let's go ahead and do those for sure. And we will see you then. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.